Hello gamers, is your gameplay experience suffering from the dreaded FPS N error on your Nvidia card? First, make sure your monitor's display settings properly align with your game settings. Common issues include mismatched resolutions or refresh rates, so before you dive in, double-check your game options to ensure that your graphics match the refresh rate and the optimal resolution of your monitor. Nvidia drivers are frequently updated. These updates frequently include performance improvements and bug fixes. Go to the GeForce Experience application and navigate to the Drivers tab. If an update is available, download and install it. Next, access the Nvidia Control Panel by right-clicking on your desktop. Select the Manage 3D Settings option. Go to the Global Settings or Program Settings tab, then adjust the Power Management mode to prefer maximum performance. Select this option to see if it helps, and try Adaptive if that doesn't work. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through your game launcher. Corrupted game files can trigger various issues, including FPS problems. Select the Verify Integrity of Game Files or a similar option to ensure everything is in working order. If your problem persists, contact Nvidia or the specific game support.